Just a few more concepts I want to provide an overview for. We're thinking about central tendency. The central tendency statistic tells us kind of what the sample as a whole, kind of our whole sample on the average is like. So there's 3 measures of central tendency, and that is the mean, the median, and the mode. The mean is the set of scores that it's obtained by taking your set of scores and adding them all up and then dividing them by the number of scores. The median is the score that divides your group in half. So 50% are going to be below the median, and 50% are going to be above the median. And then finally, the mode is the most frequent score. So this is the only measure of central tendency that's going to be appropriate if you're using a nominal scale. We need to consider variability. We also want to determine how much variability exists in our set of scores. And one of the measures of variability that characterizes kind of the amount of spread in a distribution of scores is the standard deviation. This indicates the amount of deviation that exists in your scores from the mean. And so also, when we think about standard deviation, we think about the measure of variability that is the range, which is simply the difference between the highest and the lowest score in your data set. So that's just kind of a brief overview of some of the concepts that are relevant to your chapter.